Alright, so we have another question from SAT practice test. Here you get a circle graph. So the circle graph actually shows total monthly expenses of this guy David. So he spends 25% on food, 20% on car, and so on. If you look at it, see, this graph doesn't give you dollar numbers, so we don't know what's the total expenses. We only know the percentage. In the question they give you a clue like this: David spends $450 per month just for food, right? So if you look at this graph, he spends 25% on the food. So basically it says 25% of total expenses is $450, right? Let's say this total expense is, call this as X. So 25% of X equals to $450, right? So from this we can find what is X. The longest route is, you can just rephrase this as 0.25 of X equal to $450. Then X will be 450 by 0.25 and so on. You can find the answer. Or you can just think like this: we need 100% of X, right? So 100% of X is actually X. So from going from 25 to 100, you need to multiply this by 4. Same thing, you just multiply this by 4. So X will be 4 times $450, which is $1,800. That's it. So that is for X. So once you find X, this is the total expenses. Now the question asks how much he spends per month on the car. So he spent 20% of the total expenses on the car. So we know what is the total expenses. So we just need to find what is the 20% of the total expense. So 20% of $1,800 equal to nothing but 0.2 times 1,800 is equal to $360. So basically I'm putting 0.2 here because you just convert 20% into decimal, that is 20 by 100, that is nothing but 0.2. So if you find 0.2 of $1,800, that is $360. Look at the choices. So the choice C has $360. So that's it. So the answer choice is C.